there was an attempt to kill the Highlanders brand.
The people who had money coaxed the players and they formed another club in an effort to destroy Highlander.
They were approached and promised this money. And the
who could have gone to the other team, which was very well funded.
The Highlanders is not just an ordinary team. It is a culture. It is an institute. And even when that whole team went to Olympics, we still had our own juniors. We still had our small boys that we grouped together and we rebuilt the team.
Also survived, and guess who remained as part of the guys who held high the Boso brand. Taman Balega was part of the senior players who stayed back.
We kept together and we rebuilt the team together.
My dad in Bariel as a team of 1926. So who was the team on I pillows over Cates, Miss Cates of Bazuga, Pumio of Olympic. Sat I don't need on my paper. I get about Tatiga about Tating.
A lot of Islanders players now just sing kayibulawe or kayibulawe, but they don't even know where it comes from. That is when that song was started. That no, it won't be killed.